Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to divide two numbers in one cell using Microsoft Excel. This can mean a couple of different things. It can mean showing the division of a number in one cell, like the equation and the result, or taking two cells and combining the result in one cell. So I'm going to show you both ways. Here I am inside of a worksheet in Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to, right inside this cell, start typing out my equation. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and push the Enter key. And that's pretty easy. It's equation notation. It's just what's happening in the result, but it won't respond to anything, so you can't dynamically change the answer. To do that, we're going to split those two numbers, 6 and 2, up and put them in their own cells. So 6 and 2. And inside of our results cell here, I'm going to push the equal sign. And when you do that, you automatically start creating a formula, which is different from what we did before. A formula will dynamically rechange itself if what it's feeding off of changes. So we're going to say we want this cell here, you can just click right on it, to be divided, so you push the divided button or that slash, by this cell. And you can see that it automatically highlights the cells for you to show you what you're working with. And then push Enter. And you've got a result now. So the result is now displayed for you to see. 6 divided by 2 is 3. But if you click on that 3, it's got the A6 divided by A7. So it's telling you that it's a formula. And if you click in there, you can double check the reference on where it's grabbing those numbers from, and you can even actually move those little squares around. So you can kind of change what cell it's going to feed off of, and you notice the formula dynamically changes itself as well. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to divide two numbers into one cell. I'm Josiah Ray.